Hello, hello. This is a weird sight. Check this out. Boop. Really weird. So we actually dropped the camper off the truck this morning. It was a comedy. It was sketchy. It took us about 15 minutes and then probably another 10 minutes to kind of lower it to the ground. Check it out. We will get better at that the more we do it, but
She is so nervous.
Actually,
I drive forward 1 inch up, check both sides, walk around, check everything. It's good. She's just
I'd rather double check everything.
double.
Triple, quadruple.
Yeah. But yeah, it's not, take 15 minutes. The consequences are serious.
They are, yeah. So the reason we did that is because we have some projects on the camper coming up that we need to take care of. And one of the things that we're doing today, why don't you tell them?
Our water gauge, freshwater gauge on our truck camper, it's not ideal.
It's less than ideal.
It's just it's got idiot light. It's a not quite a 40-gallon tank, but it's got like little LED lights, a third full, 2/3 full, and full. And so when you're getting low on water, it kind of starts to flicker, and it got 1/3. So that's probably, a dozen or more gallons of water. And it stays on 1/3 until you're empty. So you don't know between 1 and 12, 15 gallons where you're at. When we first got the truck camper, it came with a Mopeka. It's I don't know, we can put a link to that video or something, but it's a Mopeka device. Looks something like this.
Sensor.
It's a sensor, and it came for the propane tank. So this sticks to the bottom of our propane tank, our portable tanks, and there's a phone app, and it tells you exactly how much.
You pair this to
78%. You pair it to your phone, and we found out that they also make a device for the bottom of your water tank, your freshwater tank, and or your gray tank. So we'll be able to look at our app. Hopefully, we haven't used this yet. We haven't installed it yet, but if we can find the water tank, mount it to the water tank, and then if it works, we can actually have an exact water measurement. So we bought 2, and we'll put a link in the description and probably put one on our website. If you want to try them, but I guess we'll see how they work first. If they don't work, we won't put them anywhere.
Oh yeah, for sure. So in order to put this on, we have to drop the belly of the camper. And when we had our batteries installed at Bin Battery, we had the Battleborn batteries installed there. They dropped the belly of the camper, and they were doing some wiring through there, and they said it should be easy access for the freshwater tank.
Yeah.
Had we known, we would have just put it on at that point in time.
Yeah, we were picking the camper up, and it was all put back together and back in the truck. And I think when they wired the DC to DC charger, he was telling me that they had to take that bottom off, and I said, "Oh, did you see the first water tank? Because I want to put this device in." He goes, "Yeah, I could see. I could have mounted it if I'd have known." So anyway.
So here we are again. So we're going to right now be dropping the outside panel of the belly of the camper, and we're just check it out. I don't know what it looks like under there. So
yeah, there's 2 sections, and it's just screwed on, and I'm hoping that the smaller rear section is all we have to take off. Ben Battery put on some that a Turnabon tape across the seam. There wasn't on there, so they put some on there, and so we're going to take that off and then do it, and then we'll put this on, put some new Turnabon tape,
seal it back up, lower the camper more because it's a little too high for me right now.
Yeah, because we have some more projects, so we're going to be doing while it's off the truck. So.
Yeah, exactly. All right, let's get underneath. It's literally styrofoam. Okay.
There's our water tank.
What are we looking at? Yeah, there's our black tank.
That's the black tank. That ain't gonna work.
No, but we got fresh water right there. Cool.
I'll be damned.
What do you think?
Well, I could put it on the freshwater tank right here.
Yeah.
But the way I understand it works, it sends like a sonar or something up. The gray tank must be farther up, so I think I should take this panel off and then look at the water tank with this off to see what the best place to put it is.
Yeah, because we don't know the shape of the tank or.
So, hopefully when I take I can't see the gray tank, but it's got to be in there. Why can't this be the gray and we'd be done?
I know. Dang it.
Okay. Well, and then there's a mix of square head screws and Phillips head screws, so that makes it super convenient. But it is what it is.
All right. See.
I don't see the gray tank, do you?
No, I see fresh though. Okay, try with a flashlight. I
wonder if it's right in front of that, but I can't see.
In front of the black. Oh.
I'm gonna put this one back in.
Okay, open the other side.
Pop it back down.
Okay.
If I don't have to, if I can't do it. If I can't take the whole, if I can't do the gray tank, I want to take this whole thing off.
Yeah.
It's going to be a.
Yeah, to line back up.
Yeah. I do not see the gray tank.
Weird. Well, maybe the gray tank's inside under something. Yeah.
So the gray tank must be above in the second there.
Gray tank could be under your closet pantry. I bet that's exactly where it is. Under your closet where we keep the dog food and stuff. What's under there? It's probably the gray tank.
How would you get into here?
I don't think that's how you would access it. You'd access it from the inside.
Gotta get to the bottom of it.
Well,
I'm not taking that off for a gray tank sensor.
No, we are not. Just simply that.
Oh, there's the DC charger.
Oh.
Thanks, Ben Battery.
Where is it? Oh, right here. There we go. Well, it's good to get eyes on this stuff every once in a while, right? I feel like. Okay, well, let's do fresh anyway. Okay, I think we're gonna test it first.
So
I downloaded it, the app, and I've got the device synced. So.
And we had to lower this down anyway because it has to be installed at least one sensor width away from any sidewall. So it'd have to be at least over here.
Yeah.
So we're gonna mount it right here.
Okay. Sounds good. What I was wondering is if you wanted to just hold it up to it and see what it's telling me before we permanently mount it. No, give it. Oh. Okay. Tank level 33%. Okay, so I think that's a good spot for it.
Yeah. So to do this, you can get when you buy it, the instruction comes with it. You have to clean it with soap and water, then clean it with alcohol, and then it's got this vial of magical elixir. You have to break the vial, and it's like a primer. Rub that on there, and then you pull the adhesive off of the bracket and mount it on there.
Yeah, and the goo reacts to the goo on. It's like a two-part epoxy or something happening.
You definitely wouldn't want it to come off while you after you do this.
No, I don't want to be doing this again. Okay, you got soapy water going on. Let's just do this once. Now, alcohol pad. Did it come with the alcohol pad?
No.
Okay, well there's this, but the alcohol's back there somewhere. There you go.
Seems so simple, but it's just a tiny little, 1,000 tiny steps.
Yeah. But this will be so worth it.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, the magical elixir.
Now, hang on. Clean the area. Wipe with alcohol pad. Now apply primer to the area of tank that will be contacted by the adhesive on the collar.
So you break, so you pinch this vial, I guess. It's inside.
Yeah.
It's like plastic with a little glass vial inside.
Okay.
And then a brush right there.
Oh, it's like Mercurochrome or whatever when you were a kid.
I don't know what it is, but maybe I should have a glove on or something. Okay. So that's going to go like that.
Yeah.
Almost want to kind of mark it because there's not a lot.
Yeah. Maybe mark.
One more step. Okay, so it's about a 1/2 inch inside.
Goo time.
Ugh.
You probably should have gloves on.
Peel this off and stick it up there.
Peel paper from adhesive and press collar onto tank. Press firmly on every collar flange to ensure adhesive makes good contact and is properly activated. Don't rock it too much, please.
Rock the band. Rock the truck. Don't tip the truck over. Well, it sure felt like it stuck all good.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, then this part comes off.
Oh, are we sure?
So I should have took it off first, probably.
Yeah, because now it might be glued.
No.
Oh, okay.
It's the part that holds the thing inside it.
Oh. Oh, it wiggled. It wiggled a little. So maybe it twists and then
No, it just...
pulls out.
Should have took that off first.
Yeah.
Oh.
Note to self, take that off first. That's why we do these videos, to show,
How not to do things.
Show our mistakes.
We're not a how-to channel.
Definitely not a how-to channel. Okay, got that off.
Now, apply pea-sized amount to contact pad. It's the Mopeka Sonic Grease.
Yes, this says apply sonic grease to face of black rubber contact pad, opposite side from sink button.
Check.
Okay.
This.
Yes.
Sonic Grease.
I like these names.
Sonic Grease. Pea size.
Yes. Black rubber contact pad. And then it says install sensor into collar with sync button facing away from tank. Black rubber contact pad should make contact with tank bottom. There we go. Okay. Install snap ring over sensor and collar.
I was ahead of you.
Oh, you already got it. Okay, sorry. I'm gonna open my app again. And I'm going to see. Tank level updated just now, 32%. See that? And we are out of propane in that one bottle, by the way.
I know that.
Yeah.
We got 3/4 in the other.
So 32%. I think it's working.
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
Oh, one thing I will mention with this app, make sure and close it out after every time you look at it. Because it still runs and it can run the battery down.
Yes, close that out.
Close the app because it'll just keep scanning and scanning and scanning.
Okay, it's gonna get dark soon.
Yep. Okay, so we're closing this bad boy up. Do you need any pictures of it, where anything's at under there? Or I hope to never have this open again.
Phillips.
Well, that's one project down. We got a couple more to go before we get it back on the camper. Yeah. Exciting stuff.
I'm thirsty.
I bet you are. I bet you are. Oh, I do want to note that we are going to be, I think, at the Tampa RV show Sunday, the 21st. So if you see us wandering around, be sure to holler and say hi. Yeah. All right. We'll see you down the road. Carry on.
Carry on.
There's been a new twist of events. You'll have to stay tuned for next week's video because we've learned some things.
This is what you do when you just should have taken more time, got some plans, done some research, but yeah, that's the Mopeka right here in the fresh tank.
Yep.
And for some reason we thought that was a black tank, maybe because it was black.
I think.
But I think when I was under here, I was thinking the toilet was up there, but the toilet's that way a little bit.
Yeah.
It's just deceiving when you're under here. So we need to put the Mopeka on the gray tank.
That is the gray tank. Anyway, stay tuned for next week because we have some rectifying to do and some more confusion, but we'll get this sorted. Carry on.
Carry on. Thanks for watching.
And a very special thank you to our patrons for supporting our channel. Join us over on Patreon for extra videos and more content. Check out our website or Amazon for our pistol book. Carry on.
Carry on.